children.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
Are you ready for the lesson?
Yes.
Oh, today we have an unusual lesson. We have guests today. Don't be afraid. Don't worry. Be calm. Be active today. Okay? Now, let's start with to support you. Let's start lesson with something fun. I will listen to your heartbeat and this, say little compliment. I listen to heartbeat. Now, wow, your heartbeat is full of energy. That's amazing. Take a seat. Wow, your heartbeat is, it says you are creative today. You must have some ideas. Your heartbeat says you make great progress today. Now let's listen your heartbeat. Your heartbeat says you have great, fantastic imagination. Take a shot. Let's listen your heartbeat. It says you are confident. That's wonderful. It says you are brave. Don't worry. Now, Sardarbek, listen to your heartbeat. It says you are brave today. Take it. Now I'll give you some anti-laziness vitamins. Yeah, take it, and it helps you. It calms you down, improves attention. It will help you answer questions quickly. Okay, now take one of the vitamins. It's the second. It's for you. Take it. Today's lesson. Now, children, now what is the quote of this week? What is the quote of this week? Aluk?
The quote of this week, it means that discipline brings order, and it helps work together and achieve common goals.
Yes, of course. Children, can we conduct lesson without discipline?
No.
No, there is no education without discipline. Let's today's lesson work together and achieve our goal as a team. Good. Alena? Thesauro. What is it? Good. Write it. Now, Basauro. What is it? Oh, Basauro. What? Headache. How's that? Headache. No? Good. Take it. Very good. Now, and Sayan, what is it like? What? Offal? Extract? Toothache? Stomachache? No. Remedy? Okay. Who is the winner? Saya. Who wants to play? If you answer all the questions, the topic of today's topic will be revealed. Okay? While answering the question, think what today's topic will be. Okay? Do you understand me? Now the third question. How often do you exercise?
I do exercise 3 times a week.
3 times a week. Good. Very nice. And do you, Sayan?
I exercise regularly.
Good. Good job. About now, children, the theme of our lesson is everyday English. Asking, talking about health. To develop your speaking and listening skills. Now, our plan for today, we are going to learn new words. We are going to ask and respond. We are going to listen dialects and speak in simple dialects. And we are going to share our ideas and enjoy our lessons. Suppose. Dentist.
Oh dear, dreadful painkiller can stand, suppose dentist. Oh dear, dreadful painkiller can stand, suppose dentist.
To listen video, be careful and pay attention to word phrases, asking about health, responding, expressing problems, yeah, and giving sympathy words, okay? Pay hear your attention. You
Are you okay?
What is asking?
You don't look well.
You don't look well.
I feel terrible.
I feel terrible. Responding.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
An hour ago,
Well, it should make you feel.
going to the dentist.
I'm sorry, but you have to go. John, you don't look well.
He has a dreadful toothache.
Yeah, he has got a dreadful toothache. What advice does Jenny give? What advice does Jenny give?
Go to the doctor.
Go to the terrible. Jenny,
Oh dear, what's wrong?
John.
I have got a dreadful toothache.
Why don't you take a painkiller?
I feel terrible.
Oh dear, what's wrong? I got a dreadful toothache. Why don't you take a painkiller? I did, but it's still.
What's the matter? What's wrong, Colin? You were right. Look, you say, I suppose you were right. I feel awful. What is the synonym?
Terrible.
I feel terrible. What is it? And give some advice. Make a role play. Okay? Make a simple. Make up a simple too. And you will say what's wrong. Ask.
Hello. I feel terrible very well.
I feel terrible. Very well.
What's the matter?
I feel terrible toothache. Hello, Mirza. Are you okay? Hello, I'm good. I don't well very well. What was? I have a terrible headache.
One of you will be a nurse, and the rest you will describe your pain. Ask for help. That's not online presentation about healthy lifestyle. And let's see how higher learning temperature is today.
Vanilla extract on juice.
And
Salty and salt water help with the pain.
rinse your mouth with salt water.
If you have a headache, drink some lemon juice with warm water to help get rid of that nasty pain.
Good.
Hello, what's wrong with you? I feel terrible. I have got a dreadful toothache. Who are you? Let me see. Let me see. Oh dear, I will give you painkiller, but you should see a dentist. I will. I had a headache. Hello. Hello. Did you water today? Not much. Drink more. We have done a presentation healthy lifestyle. If you want to be healthy, you must eat more fruits and vegetables.
Good.
We should avoid junk food.
You should avoid junk.
Avoid getting sick.
Good job. You have to find where the tasks hidden and solved. There are 5 tasks. Wants to find Alam. Which part of the body cannot be used with ache? Choose. Can we say? Yes.
Yes.
The headache,
Headache. Yes.
stomach ache. Which part? Eye. The correct answer is eye. Eye number 7. The door? Oh, we have done it. Okay. Children, did we learn new words today? Yes, we learned new words. Did we ask and respond? Ask questions and respond? Yes. Did we listen? Dialogue? Did we speak in simple dialogues?
Yes.
Did we share ideas?
Yes.
Did we enjoy?
Yes.
your feelings. Draw on the board your feelings. Keep it. Practice. That's enough. You had a great mood after the lesson. I think we achieved our goals. Do you have to create a dialogue about health with your family members? Okay? Up. The lesson is over. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, teacher.